Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. I have always had fine, thin hair, but recently I have found a solution that I want to share with all of you. It is called the Secret Tiara. Today we are going to talk with the owner and creator of the Secret Tiara, and she is going to transform my hair. So let's go! I'm here with Janae, owner and creator of Psyche Hair Extensions, and she's going to tell us about the Secret Tiara. So Janae, what is the Secret Tiara?
Well, the Secret Tiara is more of a frontal halo. We know traditional halos are going to cover the back side of our head through here, or even a traditional halo will sit up here, but still only give us coverage through the back. But so many women suffer from breakage around their face or hair loss from postpartum depression, or not depression, but postpartum hair loss, or thyroid problems, other medical problems, and they lose a lot of this. Just aging will do that too. So I created a piece that fills in that specific area without causing more damage to somebody's hair.
So what made you decide to create this?
Kind of those things I just mentioned. I am someone who had 4 boys. I had postpartum hair loss after each of those. And after my third, I got it all back in, it grew back out, it was great, and I quit taking thyroid medication because, as you know, moms, we're great at taking care of ourselves. Not. But anyway, I had run out of my prescription, and so I had to refill that, and I just 3 months down the road, when I finally got in there, and I'm like, oh, well, now that my hair's falling out in handfuls and I look like I have a mullet, what am I gonna do? And so I knew my options were 1, cut it shorter, or 2, I could try traditional hair extensions, but that wasn't gonna do anything for the mullet look. It was gonna actually enhance it, if anything. And those weren't really any options I thought were viable for me. So I found another solution and created a product to fill it in.
Awesome. Well, show us how it works.
Well, we can do that. So let's get set up with a station for you, and we'll do it on you because you've mentioned it to me. You've had problems yourself, but not with necessarily health problems. You just said you've always had kind of crappy hair, right?
I've always had fine, thin hair, especially in the front. It just doesn't grow the way I'd like.
Right. So let's fill that in for you and show you how it works then.
Awesome. Can't wait.
All right, so Kathleen, we are going to go ahead and do our Secret Tiara to fill in this. If you want to just turn to the camera here for me, just over, we can see she's got this shortness through here. And then she's got this length in the back. So our Secret Tiara is basically gonna bridge the gap from here over to here. Grab our little piece here. So this is how it's gonna come for everybody. And it's customizable. So Kathleen has got a center part. We are going to actually adjust our piece to mimic her part. Now, if she were to wear a full fringe or a full bang, we'd be able to wear that just like so and cover up the little weft there without it showing. But because she has the part, we're going to create it. And the best way to do that is going in this middle section, we're just gonna start sliding the little hairs over to make our part. Like so. Make sure we're pretty even there. Looks good. So that middle part, that gap, is going to sit where her part is right there. Our next step is to actually tighten it so it will fit on her head without sliding and moving around. And to do that, I just am going to take a pair of needle nose pliers, which I got right here, and I'm going to pop open the little bead on the end so that my stretch wire can slide through that bead. And we'll put it back on and adjust. All right, Kathleen, that should have a nice kind of snug fit to it without being uncomfortable. That feels secure. And we're gonna tighten that bead back down. Okay, I'm gonna remove it one more time just so I can tie this end off and cut our excess. Okay. You're gonna love this. It's gonna be a great reveal for you to show you how much of a difference it makes. So once we've got it back on and situated, I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and take the metal portion of that and just go along the line of where that hairpiece is sitting and pull the hair out over the top. And do that all the way around the back of her head, coming back forward. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And then our last step is just gonna be, we wanna cut it to blend it into her hair so it looks natural. Now, Kathleen, do you prefer to have some tapering and layering around your face, or are you trying to go for like more of the like really blunt bob?
Probably more blunt and bobby.
Okay. We'll do just a tiny layering around the face just so that we're blending in your little hairs in that fringe area. But for the most part, we're going to just create that really sleek bob. There is the gist of it. Now we just want to finalize and make it all smooth. We've just taken our flat iron and styling it to exactly where it wants to be. So give me just a second and I'll get a flat iron. So because the hair extension pieces are human hair, you can use your heating tools on it. So your flat iron, your curling iron. So if you decide one day you want to add those beachy waves to it, you most definitely can achieve that look while still using and wearing your tiara. I'd like to sometimes do just a little back combing where that part is, just to camouflage a little bit more and help direct the hair. Not everybody needs it, but for those that do, that's a great way to create that camouflage and seamless look. There we go.
Wow, Janae, this looks so good. I absolutely love this. And it was so easy. You put it in just literally minutes. Janae, this is so fun. I absolutely love my new hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. For people who are interested in possibly getting a secret tiara, tell me some tips that they should know before.
Well, we do have on our website, there's a link if you have questions, you need help with the color, or even if this is the right product for you, message us. I personally will be the one to answer you, go over your photos, we have you submit those, and I will answer you and help direct you in the right direction if we're the best fit for you, or if another hairpiece might be. And then we can also help you get your right color lined up.
That was my next question. Does it come in different colors, different lengths? How does that work?
So yes, it does come in, oh gosh, I should know my own business. I think there's like 8 different shades that we do come in. But the nice thing is about it is they're standard shades, but they're all customizable because it's human hair, and therefore we can color it to match yours, or your stylist can help you color it to get the perfect blend.
That's perfect. And you did say that you can actually use a straightener and a curling iron with it.
Yeah, so again, being human hair, it styles just like your own hair does. So you can wear it curly, wear it straight, you can braid it, pull it up. I mean, I've got 2 in right now. That's, you know, I can pull mine up.
That looks fantastic.
But yeah, I mean, I've got.
And you've even, oh wow. What a difference that the Secret Tiara makes.
So I like to do the blonde to give me that fullness around the face, but sometimes a pop of color just for fun. And you know, another accessory to our looks.
Yeah, I absolutely love this. If you would like more information or would like to order a Secret Tiara, you can go to psychehairextensions.com for all the information.
And then we actually want to, Kathleen, for having us on, we want to reward your viewers with a special promo code. So if they want to go on and in their order at checkout, put in Kathleen Color, they'll receive 15% off their orders.
Oh, that's fantastic. So 15% off, just type in Kathleen Color and you will get the discount. Thank you so much, Shanae, for having me. And I absolutely love my new extensions. And I know all of you will love it too. The link to Janae's website and the discount code are in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this and makeup tips, you can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.